just come down for another little kayak, chasing jungle perch, sooties, hopefully a jack. Oh, yep, first cast. Brenton just got hit. Onto the sticks, nice. Yeah, we had a little bit of rain last couple of days. In the area there's quite a bit actually, but this creek stayed pretty clean. It's come up just a little bit, but it looks really nice. A few hours of kayaking and fishing, this should be good. Okay, but I haven't caught anything on it yet. But yeah, I've always used like bubble pops and stuff. Oh, we'll go back with them. Yeah, there's a little creek just there. That's changed heaps.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I'm getting stuck here, surely. Momentum. So we've been going about an hour now. We just got to a spot where there's a little bit of a causeway, and we seen there's a couple of kayakers in front of us. So they were just kayaking, not fishing, but we're thinking maybe they were spooking everything because it's been a little bit slow so far. We've had a couple hookups, dropped a couple fish, but haven't put any on the kayaks yet. Hopefully this next stretch will be a bit better now that there's nothing in front of us, so see how we go. Right, there will be JP up here. Big ones. Look, it's just all good luck. Wait, I just want to have a quick look. See what's there. Fucking wait a while. There's all. That was a waste of time. Oh, oh, wow.
What are you doing? Could have changed lures, eh?
I know, that thing destroyed that.
Good one?
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
What is it?
Sooty.
Sailfish.
Nice sooty, actually. Man, I love that cicada.
Is it hard, eh?
Yeah. It's a nice fish. Alright, let's try not get a treble on my leg. Oh. Come on, mate. There's 3 trebles on this thing. I'm really scared. One's going to end up in my leg. Alright, it's taken a while, but we finally got the first fish of the day. Nice grunter. Absolutely smashed that cicada. We'll put him back in the water. Oh, how are we going to do this? Yeah. Been fishing for like 2 hours now. Haven't seen, well, we've had a couple of followers, but that was the first fish we've got hooked. Finally. Oh, for frick's sake. Don't eat it, fish.
There's got to be JP in there.
Has to be.
On. On?
Oh, yep. Oh, he's crazy though. Psycho JP. Righto, big fella. Righto, champ. Settle down.
Yep.
Did you get one?
Little fella. Oh, come off.
Ah, dropped him. Oh well. Get me out of here. Not, oh. Oh no, I missed him. Oh, fucking hell, he wanted it. That'll be that same fish too. Come on, buddy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you pick them up with the
mouth.
No, with the pliers.
Oh, as you're bringing them in.
Yeah. Man, I thought it'd be a bigger fish the way that guy hit. Nice little JP. See ya, buddy. He just likes them more, yeah.
Yeah, why would you want to work away?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. He's smoking.
Bastard. Oh. Man, they're aggressive, eh? They fight good. Sorry.
Oh, good.
I'm trying to get myself out of these sticks.
Oh.
This is going to be a show.
This is going to be a show and a half, I think. Oh.
Fuck.
Oh.
Coming over.
Yeah, we're going under. Oh, look at the other JP following it.
Yeah, I know. I tried to hook him up before, but didn't want it. What a mission. That's another good one, man.
Yeah. That would have been York there.
Nah, he just wanted that more, eh? We gave him the option. We said, look, take your pick. You gotta say that every time. That's a nice JP.
It is a nice JP. It's a bigger one than the last one.
I know, it's big. Have you got your pliers out?
No, but
I've got a set
he's
here.
not that hook day, I don't think. Next minute.
Ooh. Surely not. Oh. Did you hear that? That was a good bite.
Yeah. See, I think like now a soft plastic here, right?
Yeah.
It seems to be a lot dirtier.
Frick, can't believe I missed that. Holy shit. Oh, instant.
On. You got him. What?
Yeah, there he is.
Am I going to fuck you up?
I don't know if I tighten my drag and actually...
No, that's right. Just go under. You got him, I think.
Yeah, he's coming.
I'll be right away anyway.
He's just cruising down. Look at him go. Oh, the jump. Alright. Alright. Come here.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah. Oh,
That could have been mine.
oh, hold on, buddy. You'll be back with your mates in a second. Ew. Nice JP. Just from back up there. Oh, don't bite me, you little prick. What are you doing?